This is the ACE Spelling Dictionary. I'm going to give you a brief introduction as to how to use it. It can be helpful for any of us who find it difficult to know how to spell a word because it's not spelled how it sounds. So words that are spelled irregularly can be really helpful way to look them up. So let's pretend we have the word sausage, which certainly is not spelled as it sounds. So the first thing we need to do is look for the S. The first letter sound of that word is a S, sausage. S. Then we look along the side here for the first vowel sound, which is an O, S, osage. We move along from the O until we meet the S sound, and we see that it should be on page 111. I'll now turn to page 111. And because sausage has 2 syllables, there'll be 2 stars at the top of the row. We should find it in. I'll move down. Yes, there it is. Sausage. Sausage. Certainly not spelt as it sounds. Okay. That's the ACE Spelling Dictionary. There's instructions of how to use it in the book and a few little lessons about how to use it as well. So anyway, quite a useful tool for some people.